Hi, I'm Luke, and in this video, we're going to make sure we have the software we need to get the most out of VXT. In our last video, we set up our first greetings and had a look at voicemail. To get the most out of VXT, we need to use the VXT Desktop app and the mobile app. Right now, we're in VXT Web on our browser. To get the desktop app, we need to go to download.vxt.co.nz. So let's do that now. Once we're here, simply hit the green button. Once VXT has downloaded, open it up and install the app. Once you're in there, it looks exactly like the app that we've been using so far through these videos. But unlike the web application, the desktop app will pop up when you get a call so that you don't miss your calls. When you're in the desktop app, make sure to log in using the same method that you did when we first got started. So if you continued with email, like I did in our first video, make sure to continue with email in the desktop app as well. And the same goes for the mobile application. To install the mobile app, we're going to jump over to our phones. Follow me. On your mobile, the app will look a little bit different depending on whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device. Once you're on your mobile, go to the Play Store or the App Store and download VXT Smart Calling and Voicemail, the app at the top of my screen here. Once you've downloaded VXT, open it up, and this is an important step. Just like on desktop, we need to make sure that we continue with the same login method that we used when we first created our account. So just like me, as I said before, I used email, so I'm going to continue with email. Once you've logged in, the app looks pretty similar to the one on your computer. Here you can see we're in chats, and I can see the conversations I've had with Luke Campbell. I can hit greetings and manage my voicemail greetings. I can make calls from my number, and I can manage my settings. Just like that. Now that you've set up the mobile app, try giving someone a call to take it for a test drive. Thanks for watching.